How's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. Today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of a set of inexpensive tempered glass screen protectors for the Samsung Galaxy M20. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the SCL tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Alright. Now, I picked up two of these because I was able to get them for a really good price. Now, this is a 2-pack each, so this is a set of 4 right here. And let's go over the packaging. Then let's take a look at everything that's included, and then we'll wrap this video up. I'm not going to go over the installation in this video because installation of tempered glass screen protectors is a massive struggle for me, so I'm going to do that off camera, and y'all will see what this looks like when I come back and do the full review for this tempered glass screen protector. Alright, so that being said, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. Now this, as with some of the other accessories that I picked up for the M20, was another Amazon pickup here, and it came rather quickly yet again. It actually came a day early. I was supposed to get this tomorrow, which would be Thursday, but it came a day early, so I'm actually recording this on Wednesday. Alright, that being said, let's go. Now, starting off with the packaging here, I already cut one, but I just want to go around the outside of the packaging. So really straightforward, just letting you know what this tempered glass screen protector has in it. So it's scratch resistant, alright, okay, anti-fingerprints, explosion proof. I don't know why these tempered glass screen protectors always say that. Easy installation process, H9 hardness, okay, and anti-red screen, alright. So really good stuff there, okay? So this should be a really nice tempered glass screen protector, and then they just have their slogan across the side here. So, love life, love phone. Weird, but it is what it is. And on the back here, we have some barcode information right there. So y'all can see that. Get that to focus. There you go. And then we just got some more information about the tempered glass screen protector itself. And we have an installation guide right down here. Okay, so pretty straightforward, pretty decent packaging. So let's put that off to the side. Now let's look at everything that comes in the package. So looks like we got a little thank you card here. Wow, I have no idea what that says. If y'all know how to read this, please translate down below in the comments. Flipping it over. Yep, nice little thank you card there. Pretty straightforward. Okay. Alright. And they do have some contact information right down there at the bottom. Alright, we having some focusing issues today, boy. There you go. So, customer service and you follow information. Not bad. Alright, throw this off to the side real quick. Then what do we have here? We should have our wet and dry wipes in here. Let me rip one of these and see. Because we're pretty much going to install this after the video. So let's see what we're working with here. So, dust removal stickers. Cleaning cloth, microfiber cleaning cloth here. Let's see. Okay, and then we got our wet wipe, wet alcohol wipe, and that's about it. So no dry wipe in here, but we get a wet wipe, we get our microfiber cleaning cloth, and our dust removal stickers. Alright, so let me put this off to the side because we're actually going to use all this when I push stop on the video. And since this is a set of 2, we do have another set right there. So there you go. Alright, and now let's take a look at these screen protectors here. Oh yes, this is one of my favorites. So you can see, got the blacked out rims. That means this should be a relatively easy installation process. Alright, Good stuff. Oh, and it already comes with the sticker on it, so you just clean off your device, then you line this up and you peel it off and put it down. So pretty straightforward. But I gotta tell y'all, I'm liking this already because this installation should be extremely easy. And like it says on the package there, it's an edge-to-edge screen protector, so this should be really nice. Alright. Okay. That's pretty much it. Alright, and then we just got some more information on the inside here. Alright. Pretty straightforward unboxing. First impressions, I really do think I'm gonna like this. Now, I picked this up from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and spoil the price here because it's a screen protector, so why not? I picked this up from Amazon for $5. So that means this 2-pack runs you $5. I picked up 2, so that was $10 right there. After taxes, I believe it came up to 15 bucks after taxes. I'll have the screenshot up in post so y'all can see exactly what I paid. And the real interesting thing is this has a 5-star rating on Amazon with two votes. So I want to see what it's all about because this is a relatively new device, the M20, so it's kind of hard to find quality accessories for it because it's not that old. It's relatively new to the market, and primarily it's only in the Indian and overseas market, so it's kind of hard to find proper accessories for it. So when I came across this, I figured why not? I already knew I was going to do a bunch of accessory videos. Figured, yeah, why not bring this in? So that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of this pretty much inexpensive set of screen protectors for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Once again, this was the unboxing and first impressions of the SCL tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Alright, now my full review for this should be out in a little bit because I do have some other reviews that I'm still working on. That's also why I didn't let you guys know what my full review was going to be out for the case, because we're still working on the review process for the S7 Active and S6 Active, and we're still wrapping up some things that were sent out for us to review by some companies. And sadly, I always put those company things first because aside from when I push record on the camera here, when I'm not recording a video, I pretty much run this YouTube channel like a straight business. And when you're doing business with people, you always want to try and put your best foot forward, okay? And you will always want to try and be as professional as possible. That way it garners more respect and people are more likely to work with you on a continuous fashion. So that's why, if y'all were wondering why some of my reviews were taking so long, that's why I tend to put company stuff before personal stuff. Because at the end of the day, I do run this like a business. So I just wanted to let y'all know. So I'm not going to give y'all a definite time as to when the review will be out on this. Just stay tuned. And I really appreciate you guys and gals coming back and watching and liking and subscribing and commenting and leaving your feedback. As always, your feedback is always greatly appreciated. And y'all don't know how much I really appreciate that. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 16 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S6 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. And all the audio for this video here today was recorded using the Comica V30 Lite shotgun style microphone. So as always, please let me know what y'all think of the video quality and audio quality down below in the comments. Alright, we out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and push stop now. We're gonna get to struggling with the screen protector, and then we're gonna get to using this product. I hope everyone has a great day yet again, and I'll catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone. We out.
Perfect.